is Bianca. I am a makeup artist and beauty consultant, and if you've been rocking with me since day one, I am back. I am back to making long form content, and if you are new here, welcome. My goal is to teach women everyday makeup and help them along their glow up journey. Makeup to me is not just about putting stuff on your face. It's about a journey of self-confidence and just self-love. So today I'm going to share with you my updated foundation routine, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells so you don't miss a thing. So the first thing I usually do is color correct my darkness. So unfortunately, I have been dealing with some acne. It's starting to clear up, but I'm still struggling with hyperpigmentation. And I will be listing all products that I use below in the description box. If your skin tone is pretty even, then you can skip this step. Today we're using the Haus Labs Triclone foundation in the shade 385 Medium Neutral. If you are a makeup beginner, this foundation is a fan favorite. I'm applying my foundation by gently dabbing my brush into the foundation on my palette and tapping into my skin, ensuring that every part of my face is covered. This really is a beautiful foundation. I mean, look at the glow that it gives my skin. Next, I'm going to cream bronze my face. Usually I use either Black Opal foundation to bronze or Graftobian HD Glamour cream. A little bit goes a long way. I'm keeping it right underneath my cheekbone. This also adds a little bit of dimension to my face. So if you compare both sides of my face, you can see this side I've added my natural shadows back into my face, and here looks pretty flat. No flat makeup in 2025. If you're wondering where to bronze on your face, you can follow the number 3 on your face. This is going to be where you bronze. I also took the bronzer down my nose. Once I add the concealer, it's going to give a reverse contour effect. I'm going to use the Haus Labs Medium Golden Concealer, number 34. I'm going to put some on my forehead, a line down my nose, on my little chinny chin. I like to use a brush to blend my concealer out. So I'm going to gently start down at the bottom and gently tapping. Be gentle with your under eye, having full control of where your concealer is going. A little goes a long way. You do not need to be using tons of concealer in your under eye. I love using a tiny brush to blend my concealer because it gives me full control of the product. To go in with the facial snatch, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand contour in the color Tan/Deep. With my contour, I like to focus right underneath my cheekbone. I'm going to lighten my under eye a little bit more, this time with a different concealer. I'm just going to focus it right underneath my eye. See how there's a difference already? And this is the NYX Cosmetics Pro Fix Stick in the color Golden. Living my life like it's golden, 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 golden. Living my life like it's golden, golden. Alright, so the under eye is super bright. We are ready to set our face. Today we're using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in the color Blondie. You can use a brush or a powder puff to set your eye. I'm going to use my handy dandy powder puff today. So what I did was I dipped the powder puff in the powder And then I gently rubbed it on the back of my hand, making sure that it's evenly dispersed in the powder puff. Now, doing one more final check, making sure there's no creases present in my under eye. I'm going to go in with the powder puff and set my eye. See? I'm going to set right underneath the contour and the bronzer. Look how nice that looks. This setting powder really changed the game for my makeup, and it's one of my favorites. I purposefully left my bronzing and my contour areas unset because I'm going to use my powder, bronzer, and contour to set those areas of my face. So I have my angled contour brush. Also going to put some of that contour where my jawline is to give a snatched effect. I'm going to go down the sides of my nose as well. I'm not big on nose contour, but I do like a little sculpting. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless pressed powder in the color Sun Beige to continue to brighten my under eye with the powder puff. Once again, a little bit goes a long way. And then to blend the edges of my makeup where the contour and the highlight meet, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder again, but this time in the color 355 Coconut, which is more of a skin tone color for me. So we have our fluffy, large powder brush, and I'm just gonna blend the edges together. No harsh lines of demarcation. Not here. I want everything looking smooth up in here, up in here. So now that my base routine is halfway done, we're gonna make a little switcheroo into the brows and the eyes and start adding color. This is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. I don't think they make this anymore. I'm just going to put my brow hairs up. I usually start by outlining the bottom of my brow, drawing the tail, then I start to do little hair-like strokes to fill in the brow. I know that looked like really easy. Everything comes with practice. So let's prime the eyelids. When I'm not doing an elaborate makeup look for my eyes, I usually stick to something very simple that's just going to define the eyes in a beautiful way. So I use Mented Every Night eyeshadow palette. I think this is also a great eyeshadow palette for beginners. Today I'm going to be using the shades Houston, Philly, maybe Harlem, and then Brooklyn as well. So I'm going to go in with Philly first, which was this medium tone, and use a large fluffy brush and just start to contour my eye. So unfortunately my mic died, so I'm just going to record a voiceover here. Here I'm deepening my crease with the dark brown and diffusing the edges with the lighter shade to ensure an even blend. Then I define my outer V. I take a pencil brush and I also put the shadow underneath my eyes as well. Then I take a flat shader brush and tap the light eyeshadow all over my eyelid, ensuring that the edges are blended. I then use an angled liner brush and tap the black eyeshadow along my lash line to create a smoky effect. To continue to add dimension to the eye, I line my waterline with a black liner from e.l.f. I'm using the color Snatched Honey from the KKO Beauty blush palette to add warmth to the skin, and then I set my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Setting Spray. So I'm back. I got a little wardrobe change going on, let my hair down. Let's finish up the look. Because I went very warm on the blush, I'm going to follow up with a warm gloss that is matching the tone of my blush and just keep it very simple. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating this video for you. I look forward to providing educational and inspirational content for makeup beginners and makeup enthusiasts alike. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video with a friend, and I will see you again soon.